Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working on my van. I just have no clue what I'm gonna do yet. Yeah. So I've been trying to work on the ceiling. I made some progress and then I had to go back because I lost like an inch off the top. I didn't like that too much. So I had to go back and try to rework my plans and everything. So uh, I just haven't known what to film basically. And then I'm like, well, maybe other people are having issues like this. Like they start and they think they know what they want to do. And then you get in here and you like, not so much. So I'm just gonna bring I'm gonna bring y'all along with me on my little journey, trying to figure this out. I have no building experience. I'm not good with that. I'm really not. I can't even put something together with instructions. So I'm not sure why I took this task on to do by myself, but I'm gonna do it. You know, I've gotten some stuff done, got the floor done, insulation in. I need to finish. I need to finish. You ever get so excited about a project and you're ready, and then you get here and you like, it's a lot of work. I don't really know. So I feel like I'm halfway through the build and then I just kind of lost a little momentum. So I need y'all help. I need y'all help to get me back on track, get this momentum going and everything again. So I'm gonna try. I'm definitely going to try to put a ceiling in today. Let me show y'all some of the issues that I had first. So first, I had my wooden beams up, right? Didn't like that because it took, like I said, too much space away from the top. Couldn't have that. Cool. So I found somebody who used aluminum bars. So I was like, okay, let me try that. I couldn't find the exact ones he had, but I found some. But dun 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 dun, they're not flush. So what I mean is, if you look up here, that's my little light. Have magnets on. Okay, so if you look up here, you'll see I couldn't find the Phillips screws. So these are not flush with this. So it's gonna stick out a little bit. So that's the issue I'm currently having. Yes, I actually slept in my van last night. Yay to me. It was actually pretty cool. As you see, I still have not put my bed back up or anything. I'm laying on it. It is still messy in here. I'm just gonna give y'all a whole little 360 tour. And don't judge, because yes, it's messy. So have my little curtains up and everything. My little reflectix on the back. Yes, I only have fabric on one side. Fabric just cost. I didn't even know. It cost a lot. Okay, got that up. My little dirty little sink area. And then the front cab and my light. So that's what it's looking like right now. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. So come with me so I can figure it out. I know everybody says before you start a van build, have, you know, your layout and all that stuff done. I'm not a good planner. I have great ideas, horrible follow through. So we working on that. I mean, it's life. I'm pretty sure there are other people like me who want to start a van build and it just takes them forever, or they're motivated and then they're not, and then they get discouraged because like, I just can't figure this out. Like, whatever. Let's figure it out today. Let's go. Why am I putting the shoes back on? I haven't even made the bed up yet. I mean, first things first. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep this on. Y'all can help me make my bed, or watch me make my bed, I guess. Not help me, but y'all can watch me make my bed. This is how I do it. Okay. looking like now. This is where I keep my bedding. A little rug down here. And it is back into a chair. Okay, so I have a few projects that I can try to do today. Again, ceiling, yes. And then I kind of want to make a box for my wheel well. A lot of cold air still comes in through here. And I'm gonna have to cover it up eventually for when I finally take this out of here and make a bed. Alright, so I'm on the way back to the house. As you can see, I just picked up a few more pieces of wood. I don't know why I can't think today. But yeah, headed back. I wanted to ride around and see how it held up anyway. The piece I already have up for the ceiling, so I was like, why not? And luckily they had I think 3 or 4 more pieces, so I think I took 3 of them, and then a box so I could help frame other stuff in the van. So I'm feeling good today. I doubt if I finish the ceiling today. It's just hard. Oh yeah, and then all the way in the back is not even drilled up. It's stuffed in one of the corners up there, so that's how it's held up over there. That's another reason why I couldn't take measurements, because it keeps slipping from up there, and I don't know how far back in there it is. Every time it's a little different. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'll see when I get back to the house. Yeah. Okay. Let's try this again. Literally just hit me straight in the eye. Ooh. Breakdown. Okay. So, I couldn't record me putting up this board because literally the board, I was underneath the board the whole time. It was super flimsy. Okay, this is how it went. This board is super flimsy, as you can see, right? It's not thick plywood at all. So I was kind of using this as a template to get the ceiling down and everything, but holding this flimsy wood up by yourself, anyone who has done any type of handiwork knows that is almost impossible. Because as soon as you get one end up, the other one's flapping down, then this side is moving and you can't drill in because this side is moving, and I don't have anything to hold it up. So it's just me. Okay, I tried. Let's get to it. Safety first. Okay. I am when I say I'm having a rough day, I mean a very rough day. First, it took me, I'm not even playing, 45 minutes just to get this to stay up here. I mean without screws, just to stay up 45 minutes. Another 10 minutes to 15 minutes trying to figure out how to screw it in while holding it up myself. That was fun. It literally just started raining. Okay, look, there is a little bit of rain on my windshield, right? Okay, a little bit of rain on the windshield, right? We come outside. I don't know if you have to see that, but the sky is kind of, no, not really, can't really see it. The sky, just trust me. There we go. It's definitely a little gray. But all of a sudden, the sun just wants to come out. It's driving me nuts. Just sunny. Like, what? But it's still dark over here, like it's still gonna rain again. Okay, anyway. So, I went crazy looking for my little drill bit or whatever in here, right? No, because I had to stop abruptly to go get my stuff out of the rain. This is where I found it. It's still in the ceiling. I can't with myself. I just can't with myself today. I can't. I just cannot do this with myself today. I don't know what. I'm gonna try to finish this for right now and then probably go take a little break and calm down because I'm very frustrated. All right, so let me finish this. All right, so in the van, I had to take that plywood down. I got it up there, but I noticed it was still like little cracks you could see through here. Like, I don't know. I don't want to redo it again. I don't want to go buy more plywood. I just don't know what to do. Like, I'm getting just so tired at this point. And I get it. You have to do stuff and redo it. But this, I'm pretty sure this board is like 1/16. Like, because I have one in there. I think this 1/8. And it's smaller than that. So it's just so flimsy. It cracks. It's just too hard to put up here by myself. So I just went ahead and took that board down. I don't know what I'm going to do for the ceiling, honestly. And I'm feeling a little defeated. So I think I might just be done for the day, even though I don't want to, because I still have like 3 more hours worth of sunlight. But it just goes like this some days. Some days you're going to get stuff done. Some days kinda, and then not really. So that's where I'm at. I'm at the point of my build where I'll do something and then it's incorrect, so I have to go back and do it again, and then do it again, and then do it again. So I know some people spend like a month on there. Some people can spend 3 months, 6 months, a year. Doing this alone is so hard and so frustrating at times. Haven't even eaten today. I literally got up, looked at videos, came in here, started on the ceiling, stopped the ceiling, went to go get more plywood, came back, took the ceiling down, tried to work on it some more. Another thing is, in one of my I couldn't get the screw through, so I had to like pre-drill a hole and then go back and like do measurements and hopefully it'll line up. All this measuring and math and stuff is just making my head hurt. Me not making progress in here is making my head hurt. Like, it's one thing when you know you've been working, you know you've been doing stuff, like going to get wood, you've been taking measurements, putting stuff up, taking it down. But at the end of the day, when you come back in here and it looks the same as this morning, it just drives you crazy. Like, because I've been doing stuff. All right, I've been working. Look at working. Y'all saw it was up there. Now it's not. Like, I've been working. But you can't see the progress. I haven't seen progress in here in about 3 weeks. It's been about 3 weeks since I've seen actual progress that I've made in here doing stuff. Other than this, I mean, yeah, I did this a couple days ago. Before that, I did them, you know, with this. So it's like I'm doing stuff, but I just have to keep taking everything I'm doing down. So I'm gonna take a little break. I'm gonna give me some food in me. Maybe I'm a little hangry right now. So maybe my thought process just isn't going all the way through. And maybe I'm frustrating myself right now because I just need a break. So I'm gonna take a little break and then I'll be back. So today I'm gonna try to finish up with the ceiling. It's taking me way longer than I anticipated, but hey, I mean, that happens. We'll see. So right now I have about, I'm gonna say I have a good 80% of the ceiling done, although I have to take it all down. Dun, 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 dun. I know. Everybody does it in all the videos. They get it fitted, like, all right, look, it looks great. Let's take it down. Let's, you know, cut the holes in it. And then, you know, if you want to put finish on it, do that. If you want to go ahead and paint it, do that. Then put it back up. So, yes, this has been a task, but this is how it's looking so far. So as you can see over here, I still need about 2 planks. So I have to go back to Lowe's for that. As you can see over here, I've started taping off kind of where I want to put a cabinet. Not really sure if I'm going to do it there, but we'll see. Then up here in the front, I have most of it. Still just have a few more to do. And then just have to add the lights. So let's get it.